Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to message your buyer on Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that someone bought for you on one of your Whatnot streams. How do you actually go ahead and find that buyer to message them? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to click onto Whatnot. Next from here, you want to click on the bottom right hand corner, your profile icon. Next, you want to click on orders. And then from here, you want to find the order in which it was sold to a certain buyer so that you can message them. So we're just going to go and click on this order here, Pokemon card singles number 4. And then from here, you want to click on message the buyer. So now you can go ahead and message this buyer. You can ask them any questions, see if their order arrived okay, and also go ahead and ask them to leave you a review. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and message a buyer on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.